Heating innovations affecting consumers from all walks of life, from the aerospace, automotive, infrastructure, chemical, petrochemical and energy, medical and science, electronics, aluminum industry to defense and security, all rely on meticulous manufacturing processes with state-of-the-art heating equipment. Heating equipment in their manufacturing process is one of the main factors in improving and transforming raw materials into the backbone of industrial innovations. Prolific Group, proud to be part of these production chains through the supply of our heating equipment. We continuously develop our products and services to benefit our customers and contribute to the industry's development to keep up with the manufacturing industry's growing demand. Therefore, we strive to be a one-stop service provider by offering our professional engineering services from providing heating solution, equipment installation, commissioning, repairs, maintenance, and predictive maintenance system for troubleshooting machines. Prolific Group also work closely with loyal partners from all over the world, such as Ipsen, Nabertherm, and Graphite Materials, which have been prominent players in industrial furnaces industry for over 70 years, with qualifications according to international standards such as AMS 2750E and NADCAP for the aerospace industry, also MedTech for the healthcare industry. Prolific Group also strives to supply products with energy conservation and environmental impact reduction in mind by designing energy-efficient furnaces and parts that generate minimum air pollution during operation while maintaining maximum efficiency. At Prolific Group, we always strive to excel in quality products and services to earn customers' trust, both in Thailand and abroad. Prolific Group, for the heat that never stops.